from Hazen, Arkansas. I just woke up at 4:30. It's now 5. Clearly, I'm super tired right now. I'm driving to Tennessee. We have to go clean out Jeff's house. But I need air in my tires. So I'm at this Love's travel stop, and I asked somebody to help me because I can't do this because of my spine disability. And the nice guy over there is like, meet me at the tire shop, which is right here. He's gonna help me, so we'll see. I just need air in the tires. They're super low because it's super cold and because I drove like 800 miles yesterday. So I'm currently sitting here waiting and I need to go. And I can't wait for this guy. I have to drive. I'm not waiting. Okay, let me go see if he can help me. All right, we've got air in the tires and I now have a 4-hour drive ahead of me. So let's do this. Let's get the fuck out of here. And let's weigh my vehicle, which weighs nothing. All right, I'm about to hit Tennessee, crossing over the Mississippi River into Memphis, and then I'll be in Tennessee. Yay! All right, big bridge, scary, cold, icy. I think you can go that way. There's a way to go down.
It goes all the way down. If you want to circle around the block,
You
can you get around that?
Yeah, you can go that way.
There you go. Don't go back too far. Park.
Watch out. No, Dave, you can go straight. You can go down. There's like a way to go down over here. All right.
We're gonna have to start cocking the wheels. No, he's got this low rider stuff going on. It was just as bad getting off the trailer. No, he didn't do anything on this damn car. I got this here. I got this thing at his house in what, early May?
He never touched it. Yeah.
No, he farted around with other motorcycles and spending money like he was going out of style.
The wheels turning.
Good. Keep it straight.
Sounds like you guys are talking about Jeff. Well, it actually might need to turn that way.
Yeah, well, you're my eyes down there. I'm just dumb muscle.
This cinder block is getting a little wobbly back here. Might need the second one. Oh. Yeah. Welcome to Jeff's world.
I'll tell you what, if you want to set up that one. Yes, sir, I do. A little bit of applied pressure.
There you go. You guys. Professional grade.
Oh, you know what? The ratchet straps aren't going to hold it. We're getting it ready to tie it down.
Oh, I see. You got.
We got a ways to go.
Yeah, you gotta get up that
Oh, yeah.
ramp a little more.
Yeah, double adjustable vacuums.
Oh, wow. Fancy stuff, huh?
Yeah, it's all autocross stuff. If you want to pull on that, that'd be great. Ow! Fuck! That hurt. Ow! Driveway?
We'll manhandle it. Don't smash your fingers.
Oh, watch your fingers, fellas.
There we go.
Watch out, Davey. There we go.
Oh my God, his whole whole thing is smoking.
Oh.
Shit. Wait, move the car.
Dude, fucking split. All these trees off.
Sorry, you have an Android.
Yeah.
Get out.
Oh shit.
Okay.
Wanted to stop because he'll stop.
Now, I want to look at what we're doing.
I bumped these up to 45
That's perfect.
because I was like,
All right. Yeah, because we went too far. 1, 2, 3. There you go. There you go. Line up with the wall. Just enough room to get around it. We'll go all the way back.
I'm only flashing on the right.
It's amazing what one guy can accumulate. All right, enjoy. Thank you. Where did it go? It's gone forever. Good job, guys.
too early to celebrate.
Oh, has it not left the neighborhood yet? I'm gonna upsell the, yeah.
Fucking sell it, yeah.
I tell you, Jeff's gonna love this video. I've just been like filming the whole thing for the last couple days.
Show this to him?
I'm gonna make a video for him, yeah.
Fuck you, Jeff. Tired of this shit.
No. Play nice, guys. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Fuck
Oh,
you.
that is playing nice with Jeff. Oh, I got a request that I want you to do to him when you see him for me.
Okay.
So
What is that?
I can't say it on camera.
Am I driving?
It is now. so this is day 5 for everybody. I think day 4 for me. I got here on Monday, and the whole house is completely empty and cleaned out. All of Jeff's stuff is stored, secured. Habitat just came and took the rest of the furniture, and I have Jeff's bike on the back and some other personal things to take back to Houston. I might ride the mountain bike too. So yeah, it's a really, really nice mountain bike. So now I have an 11-hour drive. I have to drop off the cable box here in Tennessee, and then I drive 11 hours back to Houston and then back to San Diego. So yeah, we did a good job this week, and last night was fun to get out in Nashville. None of us had ever been out there, at least to see like music and stuff, and we much needed it. It was definitely much needed. Breaks my heart that Jeff has to go through this, but he's got good people in his corner, and as one of our friends said, he collects people. Buys motorcycles and cars and collects people. So, you know, I'm an antique at this point. I've been around for 20 years. No, 30 years. 30 years I've been around. So, I, you know, got a little dust on me now. But anyway, so I'm going to head back, close up the garage, and that's it for Tennessee life. You know, we'll see what happens where Jeff wants to go and be after he gets better, but for now he has nothing to worry about, and we've taken care of everything. So if you need estate planning, or you need to like, you know, like if before the news cruise comes in, like after, you know, if something happens to you and, you know, you don't want to like have anyone see your stuff or dirty underwear or like weed or whatever you have, we will clean your house. So contact me. Just kidding. Okay, that's it. So yeah, productive week, and I'm tired. I'm gonna go back. I was actually gonna drive tomorrow, but we got done so early that I'm like, you know what, I'll drive back now. It's only 10 a.m. I'll get back in Houston about 10 p.m. and then crash. And yeah, tomorrow's a new day. Just for the insurance claim, you know. It wasn't me. It was some dude. 2 hours later. There's my bike. With no chain.
All right, this thing. This shaft. Well. Yeah, it's fucking done. This bearing's got all kinds of play in it.
Did you get one of those too? What?
Means you were doing it right. You've got your little air cap, so this unscrews. And underneath it, you'll have a Schrader valve. Okay, so you can actually adjust the air pressure of the fork, which, you know, if you look at me, you know, I mean, 215 pounds of me versus 100 and, you know, some small number of pounds of you,
yeah,
right?
Yeah, no official number on
the
video.
Arbitrary small feminine number, you know, you are going to require a lot less air pressure than this is going to require to go down the trail, right? See if I can get into second gear up the driveway.
Awesome.
Oh, it's fucking perfect. How fucking cheap a person is by where they cut the zip ties off.
Oh, really?
And if you look and see where I cut the zip ties, you can pull the fucking goddamn it out, and I can reuse these zip ties.
You're
Now
so
that
cheap.
is one cheap motherfucker. Right?